This Level 8 is a course which blends traditional carpentry and joinery with more modern construction approaches such as building information modelling and lean construction. Coupled with key construction management modules, graduates will gain competencies in managing large complex construction projects, and they're highly sought after in industry. Students will gain deeper understanding in small workshop projects right up to large virtually modelled projects where collaboration is essential through digital technologies. You will learn how to plan, organise and control complex construction processes over all stages, looking at initial feasibility studies, planning, construction, maintenance, refurbishment and demolition. After the 4 years you'll graduate with a construction project management degree, but with those technical skills that you've developed, you will have an opportunity to work in other sectors, in areas such as architectural technologist, sustainable construction, a building contractor, a project planner, site mapping and carpentry joinery skills. There is a work placement in Year 3, and the course is also professionally accredited by the Chartered Institute of Building and the Society of Chartered Surveyors Ireland. That means that graduates can become construction project management surveyors and be recognised internationally. This course is recognised by the Irish Teaching Council for entry requirements in the subject areas of design communication graphics and construction studies on the Leaving Certificate syllabus. So we have a state-of-the-art workshop which students will be able to take advantage of, and we also have state-of-the-art design labs. So there's a great opportunity for people to build up technical skills and use them in their work placement and when they go out into industry.